What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It has been so long since I've actually picked up this camera, and actually no, I actually tried filming here and there, but I just didn't get around to liking the video, so I didn't post it. I haven't posted a video on my channel for probably like 3 weeks now, almost to a month, because I actually found a new job. Thank you very much, Lee, the MVP over at Honda. Most of you guys know that he always be hooking up with parts and everything, and he actually got me a job over at Honda. So I actually work at Honda in the parts department, and that's what I've been doing for the past 3 weeks. That's one reason why I have not posted on this channel, because I wanted to get focused on getting used to working there, you know, and the schedule and all that. It was just making me tired, because you know, like the first week or so working at a new job, you get a little tired because they're making you do all this new stuff and yada yada. But now, since I'm used to it, I could get back to making videos with no issues and not being tired all the time. And right now it's actually roughly 8:30. I got off of work at around 5. It's been 3 hours, so I took a shower and shit, because it's been so hot in California lately. Perks of working at Honda is getting free boxes, and I got this box because my spoon wing is up there, and if you guys noticed, my C-West and the J-Blood is completely gone. The guy finally picked it up after 3 weeks. He paid me and never picked it up, and he finally picked it up. So the J-Blood and the C-West is forever gone now, so farewell to that. I think I should just update you guys for the past 3 weeks. Not much has happened to the car in the past 3 weeks. I've done little things here and there. I actually did my lower ball joints, my wheel bearings, and new wheel hubs, but I didn't film it because I don't know. There's a lot of channels out there that already show you how to do it, and I feel like I'm sweating because it is hot. But there's already channels out there. You guys just have to Google it or just YouTube it. One reason why I don't like filming certain things is because there's already uploads of people doing it. Like, for example, how to replace your rotors. There's a lot of channels out there, and if you want to look for a very good tutorial on how to do your wheel bearings and your lower ball joint and your wheel hubs, Eric the Car Guy has 1 million+ subscribers. He'll show you the right way. And oh, do you guys notice something? Boom, yes, I got new wheels. If you guys been following my Instagram, if you guys aren't following my Instagram is gonna have a lot more newer updates compared to my channel now. I think I'm gonna be uploading probably twice or once a week now, because I work Monday through Fridays and I have the weekends off, so I can film on my weekends. And yep, I did pick up some Avant RG1s. Original finish. They're not 10 out of 10 condition. They're not brand new or anything. You can see that there's curb rashes or small little nicks here and there, but previous owner just touched up with some touch-up paint, and I'm not tripping for the price I got it for, so thank you very much, Kevin. This was actually off his car. If you guys follow my channel or my OG subscribers know, Kevin's that one with the maroon DC. This was on his car. And he posted up for sale and nobody bought it. And I was surprised at why no one bought them, because these are actually I would say pretty good specs for Avant RG1s. These are 16s, but most of the time when I see Avants, I run across 15 by 6.5 or 16 or 15 by 7 plus 44. This one is actually 16 by 7 plus 31 offset. And if you guys notice, the bore is pretty deep on them, and that changes the look of wheels a lot. That is actually one reason why I bought them, but they also clear my spoon calipers. If I got the 44 offset, they would not clear the spoon calipers. Monoblocks, I got a lot of questions between the twin blocks and the monoblocks. Monoblocks, I'm not too sure, but twin blocks, it does clear. There's probably I'll say 3 to 5 mils of clearance, but it does clear. And the cool thing is, I've wanted a set of spare wheels, or just wheels in general, that I don't have to get spacers or add more camber, add less camber, raise up the car, lower the car, due to different wheels. But even though the specs of this is less aggressive compared to my TEs over here, now these are 16 by 8 plus 25 offset, and look at these cool little bags. My brother actually bought these bags years ago on, I think, eBay, years ago. I'm not too sure if they still sell it, but you guys can probably look it up. But yeah, these are 16 by 8 plus 25. These are 16 by 7 plus 31 offset. But due to the tire size, these are actually 205 50s, 16, so they're a bit more meatier, and I kind of want to change it because they're kind of too big, well, to my perspective, and the fitment is perfect. I literally could put these wheels like on and I don't have to adjust anything. The fitment is literally exactly the same as the T37s, which I'm super happy about. But also because I think I'm running 45 series on these, so the 50 series, they make up for it. And for those wondering what tires they are Federal RSRs. But I will be selling these tires soon. You guys follow my Instagram, I will post it up on there. And most of the time if I sell something, it'll be gone. And getting back to a couple videos back, or not even a couple of videos back, yeah, well, a few videos back, people were saying I talk too much, and yes, I do talk a lot, but why would I just show you guys a video of me not talking, right? Like, you're just gonna see nothing, just music in the background. And yeah, I just haven't filmed in a while, so I'm just updating you guys. I received a lot of DMs saying, yo, what's up with your videos? Also on my Facebook too, they're like, are you gonna stop recording or still gonna make YouTube videos? You know, what's going on? He's been busy with work in his life, you know, working full time. I'm still gonna be doing stuff to this car. I still do get off of work and work on this car here and there, depending on like what I need to do. But the current state right now, I have my distributor cap off because the other day after I got the car washed, perks of working at Honda, free car washes, is I did a pull to get on the highway, and even before that the car kept dying, the car was sputtering, so I did a pull and then the tach started acting up, so I just like chilled off a bit and found out that my screw for the rotor literally came off. And if you guys look close, this rotor is not even like, it's not even round anymore, it's like rounded out, it's like a bit like an oval. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera, and you got like burnt like halfway because the screw came off. It was hanging on right here because it's magnetic, so the screw didn't get like stuck or jammed anywhere. It was just chilling right here. Luckily nothing happened to this, like this didn't strip or anything. And then my cap, I don't know if you guys can see that, the little contacts all there, they backed out, so they weren't making good contacts, which was causing the car to sputter and everything. And if you guys did notice, in this garage, it is late at night, and look, we got some new LED lights. This one of them, I kind of want to get two more, one right there, one right there. But this $20 light from Walmart works really, really well. If you guys are interested, bam, 5,000 lumen, hyper tough, $22 at Walmart. Does a heck of a job. So that's what I'm just replacing now. But besides that, the car's been perfect in this hot weather. But I am talking with somebody right now that actually does custom AC lines and custom like condensers. So I am actually putting AC back in this car. If you guys know, or if you guys watched my old videos, when I had this motor with ITBs in my Silver Coupe, I did have AC. AC worked. I had a video of it, and yeah, there's no idle issues or nothing with AC. I'm gonna be running custom AC lines made. Once I get them, I will definitely make an install video on how to tuck your AC or whatever. He makes the kit, well, he makes the kit and then he sends it to you, and then you figure out what to do with it. But I'm gonna be running, of course, the OEM compressor. The little dry air can will still be here, but all the lines will be AN lines or high pressure AN lines. And same goes with the little blower right there. And I'm planning on running the lines underneath and tucking all that in front of my tucked radiator. So stay tuned for that. I would definitely have a video on that because that's one of the things that I don't think is on YouTube. No one really does. I tucked or relocated AC for tucked engine bay or something like this. And another new thing or new addition to my engine bay is the spark plug cover. This is a Spoon Gen 1 spark plug cover. Found it on OfferUp, or no, found it on Instagram, so that's that. And I did polish up my motor mounts just for fun because I used some Mother's polish. Same with the stacks and the fuel rail. Sometimes just the little things that change everything. And I did pick up a high-end header. I was working on polishing it. You guys can see that, but it is a high-end header. But found out that it does not fit. So things for LS or B20, it does not fit my Type R motor. So I am buying a new header, and that one, yeah, will be for sale. This Mugen rear lip is actually gonna be dropping some paint in roughly a month. Color match to the car. And updates on the case swap. The case swap is still happening, guys. Like, don't worry, it's just literally waiting game. The parts should be at Niam's garage very, very soon. But in, I think, like 2 to 3 weeks, we're pulling the motor out from there, and I'm gonna install all this. We got the cooling housing, the throttle body. We're installing that very, very soon. Now, like I said, I'm very sorry that this is literally just an update video, but just to get you guys going with what happened. And I did stop making YouTube videos, but we back, guys. And I opened this the other day. Oh no! Shout out to Severesky. I actually filmed me unboxing this or opening it, but I didn't. So Severesky, he sends a lot of secrets out to like eliminate and all that. He sent a lot of like oppai and boobies. I like these ones because they look like Polaroids. Thank you very much, Severesky. And fun fact, Severesky actually lives in my area. I see his car around all the damn time. And bam. So thanks, buddy. And I still have one of these in my car. Just over there. Yeah, boy. Oh, that one looks different. It looks like the older version. I don't know what else to say. Don't worry, I'll be back to making videos, guys. And of course, it'll be me working on my car. Since I actually have like, or plan on uploading like once a week, I could focus on making that video, that or kicking with the homies. Just for Fun Me is coming up this Saturday, guys. Check it out on their Instagram. It is gonna be up in, what is it, Poway or Rancho Bernardo? I forgot. But it is gonna be this Saturday, 9 to 11 at that parking lot where we all got stuck at. So come check it out. The car will be there, and yeah. So don't worry, I'll be back with you guys. So peace out, guys. Don't listen to others, just keep building. And yes, I talk a lot because I don't know how to do a thing to this damn car. I don't work on my car. I know I just film videos of me talking, you know, but what is the video with just, I mean, I can just leave a video for you guys to just